Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install latest version of Python, that is Python version 3.14.3 on a Windows operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here Python download. Hit enter. So just simply go to the official site of Python. Once when you are here, you will see that our Python 3.14.3 is available to download. On my previous videos, I have showed you how to download this Python install manager and how to use this Python install manager for installing latest version of Python. So please follow this video to know how to install Python using this install manager, or else you can just simply follow this video that's going to also help you to install latest version of Python. So you have to click on this Python 3.14.3. That's going to immediately download your Python. You can see it is rightly downloaded. Then you have to click on this installer. You're going to open this Python installation wizard and to accept both these two options and click on custom installation. Here under optional features, you need to keep everything as default and click on next. Here under advanced options, you need to select the very first one and click on install. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes. You can minimize your browser and our installation for Python is rightly begun. And there you go. You can see that our Python is now rightly installed. You can just simply click on close. So now that our Python is rightly installed, let's do a bit of coding. So just go to search and type idle. Open Python idle shell. So here is our latest version of Python idle shell version 3.14.3. So here you can write simple Python code snippet. So something like print hello within double quote. Hit enter and it's going to show the output. Similarly, you can also create a new file and write some Python code snippet over here. So you can, let's say, add summation of two numbers like a equal to 5 and b equal to 2. And let's say you want to do summation of these two numbers. So like a plus b. So a plus b. Just write this code and go to file and save this file. So click on save as. And on our desktop, let's save this file as sum.py. And click on save. So file is rightly saved. Now go to run and click on run module. It's going to show you the output. So whatever you have written 5 plus 2, that is a plus b 7, that output is properly shown on our console. So if you are getting this, then all that basically means is you have successfully installed Python and you have successfully ran a Python program as well. Right. I highly recommend you to also install Visual Studio Code and set it up for Python. So here is the video for that. Do check these videos that are going to really help you to give a very good user interface where you're going to really enjoy coding Python. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel and join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. And if you're interested on Python, I highly recommend you to follow all these different videos on our channel. So all these videos are completely free and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website with proper explanations as well. So to check all these different videos, I am sure you are going to love them. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.